Good morning, everybody. Today's Saturday. It's almost like 9 o'clock in the morning. I am finishing up a video. This and the video explains everything. But this video was kind of not really hard to make, but kind of like emotional, and you'll see why in the video. But yeah, anyways, let's try and have a better weekend. We have a birthday party to go to today for one of our previous neighbors in our previous neighborhood. I'm not sure what the neighborhood is looking like. I'm not sure if they're going to be, I don't know what roads are still closed, but I know that her street is open, so we're gonna go and see. And yeah, but let's get dressed, let's get ready for the day, and yeah. My girls are eating some lunch. Pizza. Yeah, cheese pizza. The older kids are outside playing. But I was gonna say that Murphy, with the way she's dressed today and her very short haircut, reminds me of the little girl off of Because of Winn-Dixie. With I mean, Murphy has a black shirt on, but with the short hair, the red shirt, the overalls, like that's who Murphy reminds me of today. And then we got the kids playing with water balloons. The kids are playing the quiet game for like, I don't know, the 7th time. I picked up Cole from the birthday party. They gave us a whole Costco pizza because they had quite a bit left over. They gave us a bunch of cake, which the girls are eating some. But I was going to make for dinner some nachos. And honestly, I still might make them. And because it's still kind of early, the kids are eating right now, and I know that they're going to be hungry later on, so I might still make it, and then just kind of we might just have, he's still playing, we might just have a late dinner.
Whenever you guys are done, you need to pick up your shit from outside here, all your shoes and everything.
Mom's spinning by myself. I'm spinning it by myself. Shifting cute.
The girls have the best big brothers ever. Look at this. I was just sitting right here where Harvey was sitting. We're also back on my phone because I wasn't planning on filming, but this is too cute to not film. Family beach day, the first family beach day of the summer. We got Cole, Scarlett, Harvey, Murphy, Paisley. Anyways, we got Scarlett with us. We always have her with us. Murphy's right there, Cole, Harvey, and Miss Paisley.
Harvey said it's a clam.
I mean, it might be.
Or there might be like a living, or there might be like a living thing that goes out there. That might be like somebody's hope.
Cole, Scarlett's calling for you.
That might be something wrong.
What?
Send me some money for gambling.
We are filming on my phone again because the same thing I said last time. I'd rather drop my phone or have the sand scratch up my phone than the camera. I don't know if you guys can even hear me over the wind, but it's going to be another phone vlog this time. What are you doing, baby girl?
Come on, Brand. Oh, times 7.
Colin's gambling over here.
Woo! I'm winning. A little bit.
Here, let me get proof that you're eating the turkey out of it. Yeah.
Sit down.
All right. Kids wanted to eat.
There you go.
We got Scarlett, Harvey, Paisley finally joined us for lunch. Trying to get her over here this whole time. She just kept telling us no. Now she's chowing down. Is it good, baby? You got your Lunchable? Yeah. So I picked up this and this for the girls.
Yay!
You're fine.
For just me and Paisley?
Yeah? Okay, go down. Show them how you do it.
Kiss you, mommy, kiss you!
Okay, go down the slide. Let me see, Paige. Go down the slide.
That's actually my slide too.
It's yours and Paisley's.
Kiss you, mom.
You're welcome. Okay, go.
That's a little funny thing for me and Paisley.
Anyways, hold on, Murph. Hold on. So this thing is like literally just this. And then on this side it has like the rock climbing wall.
Wow.
And then you could put it on whichever one you want to make it like how steep you want it. But
I want it fast.
yep, the girls like it.
And you.
The girls like it up here. One of my neighbors in my previous neighborhood was throwing this out. This and this. So I picked it up for the girls because whenever we used to live there and they brought it outside, the girls would play on it all the time.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
So I knew that the girls would love it.
To climb.
I know you do, and you kind of like to talk nonstop.
Yeah, and I kind of do like to slide. So this why you buy up this by us.
Sure.
This why you buy. Just put me on this side.
I'm ready.
I'm right here.
Are you good? Oh.
Colin, why are you swinging that like a bat? You got me there. I think that. I did. I think that thing.
Oh, Cole, you got the big one. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Come here. Cole, easy. It's too much power for you.
Go get him! Go get him!
Oh.